What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spot from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. This is the portal. And there Miles is in the portal. Then here he is, the Spot. And then he has two hands, which come out very easily. But you could switch the hands like that. You could collect Miles Morales, Gwen, Spider-Man 2099, Jessica Drew, Spider-Punk, the Spot, which is what I have right now, and Peter Parker. So I have Peter Parker, Miles, Spider-Man 2099, which was a basketball game gift, and Gwen Stacy, and then the Prowler, which they don't really put him in the movie now. I don't think so. I haven't seen it yet. But he's from last movie. And here are some honorable mentions. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye!